Do you need a car repaired? Then you are at the right place. Actually, the place would be Weber Automotive, but we have Brian Weber here. Tell the folks about getting their car repaired. Like, how long does it take to get a car repaired? Do I need to call you ahead of time? What's the process like?
It's always best to have an appointment so we can understand the expectations, what kind of time we need to have reserved, set aside.
Okay, sure.
And it always starts with figuring out what's going on, right? We've got to assess what we're working with, what the problem really is, and then what is it going to take? What's it take time-wise? What does it take parts-wise? Parts availability is a little different now than it has been in years past.
Sure.
We know how to get stuff. We have a lot of resources and places to get it, but it's always best to start with an appointment. Sometimes it's quick and simple. Sometimes it's a matter of a couple hours. It depends on parts availability. It could be days if we're waiting for something.
Hey, let's talk about the people who are doing the work on that.
Yeah.
Your mechanics.
Yeah.
Certified?
Always. Yeah.
And what does it take to get a certification? Just so folks understand.
Well,
what it is.
Certification's a lengthy process. You have to have a certain amount of experience, at least 2 years of experience in that particular area, and have courses of study completed, and then take tests to verify all that. But what's even more important, because I've had, 30 years in business now, I've had technicians that were certified that really weren't good at fixing cars, and I've had people that were not certified that are excellent at fixing cars. So it really is aptitude and experience. Like, you're no good for us and to be able to be competent unless you've got at least 5 years under your belt.
Okay.
And truly it's 15 is where it starts to get, well, yeah, you're pretty good.
What's the average tenure of the folks you got working for you? What's the average amount of experience they have?
That's an interesting question. I've got, realistically, I don't understand how it happened, but over 40 years in. Tony has got 45 years in.
Oh, geez.
Perry, 25. Greg, 25.
Holy cow. So you guys are pushing that 15-year and beyond.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh,
yeah.
that's great. That's
and Tony, with his 40-some years of experience, the best I've ever seen.
That's great.
He's great with computers and laptops and scopes and...
There's a lot of new stuff happening, and I know you guys invest in that too.
We do.
So
We have to.
I've talked to Brian a lot, and I mean, Weber Automotive has got the folks, they got the know-how, and they got the stuff to do it. So you need your car repaired, Brian's the guy to do it.
Yeah, we try to be the best.
Thanks a lot, Brian.
Thanks, Randy.